Fast printing capability. The Brother P-touch PT-H300 is a portable label maker that allows users to quickly print pre-designed labels. Mobile label printer. Compact, durable, and lightweight, Brother has engineered the PTH300 to be a true, easy-to-use mobile label printer. Preview work before printing. The Brother PTH300 features a vivid bright display that allows you to preview the labels before printing. Indoor or outdoor use. The Brother handheld label maker is compatible with multiple durable Z-series tapes, great for indoor or outdoor use. For use with Brother Genuine tapes, use Brother Genuine P-touch TZe tapes up to 18 mm, approximately 3/4, for best performance. Top reviews from the United States. Works amazing. I label wires to cabinets to drawers. Works great. We use it weekly at our house. From clothing to shrink tubing to drawers and containers. Took me a little bit to figure it out. I use a Brother PTH300, works wonderfully, took me a little bit to figure it out. Using this product, the shrink tube printable labeling is fabulous. I having a labeler that prints more than one lines, works great for me. It takes a little bit to figure out. The best thing to do is go online and watch some YouTube videos on similar labeling systems. P-touch labeler.